Hi guys, here I come up with Jomis Filtered Shower Head with handheld. So as you can see the pieces, it's very easy to put together. It takes 5 minutes. It's very straightforward. You put the tape around, take your time, nice and slow and round, and then you're gonna screw it on nice and tight. Don't want any leaks. Look at that, it looks pretty already. So this handheld shower comes with high pressure water flow and multiple spray modes. The shower head has a filter, and there you go. You have on and up switch. Easy to bathe your pets, clean your bathrooms. Look at that mist. Oh yeah, that's the best way to clean your bathroom. Guys, go on TikTok. It's on sale. Get it now.